here is amazing. Today we can see nothing. There's Miranda the boy. We can see nothing in the morning. But here it's amazing. It's beautiful.
Oh, good views, aren't they?
Yeah. Even on a foggy day.
Bom dia.
Bom dia.
Hi everyone, I'm Mike.
And this is Diana. This season is take 2 of an experience that we've already done, but we're doing it differently this time. Traveling from the north of England all the way to central Portugal. Armed with a new arsenal. We've got knowledge and we've got a bit of experience, and this time maybe we're even a bit wiser than we were the first time. So I hope you enjoy the ride. You can check out how we cope traveling, looking at properties, and who knows, maybe we might even find the right property. So stay tuned. Later. Hi there, thank you for joining me on another video. As you can hear, I have still lost my voice and it hasn't come back. But I will endeavor and try to get through this beautiful property that we had a look at. This is one of the first ones this year that we had a look at. And this is a 3-bedroom villa or house, you could say. And it's in Vila Nova, which is located only a few minutes away from the village of Miranda de Corvo, which is the area we seem to like at the moment. We got this new agent, Clara Dias, and she has quite a few different properties. As of today's date, this property is still available. So it is a 3-bedroom, 152 meters square, total 7 rooms, not 7 bedrooms, 7 rooms, 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. It does have a garden on the outside of the property. It's not attached to the property. The villa stands out right on top of a mountain, and the views were amazing. You could see Coimbra, you could see the sea, Figueira da Foz. We were there on a foggy day, and it still looked amazing. So the first floor, or ground floor, has the garden, a small yard, and some annexes. And then we have a patio at the entrance, which is the access to the upper levels of the property. Once you walk into the property, there is a kitchen. It needs a bit of work, the kitchen. The outside kitchen could be turned into a outside barbecue as well. Once you get upstairs, you'll see another kitchen. It's pretty big, but again, it needs a lot of work. There is a lot of light coming into all the different rooms of the property, and there are stairs connecting upstairs to downstairs, but also to that little landing that you saw at the beginning of this video. There is a cellar. It's quite a big, spacious cellar, but again, that needs work. The first floor has 3 bedrooms, all with windows, 2 living rooms, and a smaller, unequipped kitchen, so it does need a lot of work. Just a breakdown of the first floor has 3 bedrooms, all with windows, 2 living rooms, and 1 kitchen that needs work. The ground floor has the patio, the outdoor kitchen, which needs a bit of work, a laundry room, a living space, a bathroom, the wine cellar, and 2 annexes. In the beginning of the video, you saw Clara just pointing out the grassy area, and that is the garden part, so it's not attached to the property. There is a, if I pronounce this correctly, Luciana natural swimming pool about 5 minutes away. Figueira da Foz Beach is 60 minutes away. Lisbon is 2 hours away. Porto 1.5 hours away. And Coimbra 30 minutes away. So the property, like I said, is still available. I will put the link of the property and the website of Clara's in the description so you can have a look if you're interested. The property, like I said, the structure's there, everything's there. It's more internal work. Putting in a kitchen, bedrooms, painting, that sort of thing. But also it was a little bit difficult for me to get to on my own. You would need a car. There is transportation. She did mention buses that came to the area, but obviously those are limited. But also one of the reasons why we didn't go for this property was because of the work that needed to be done. It wasn't a simple thing as, just fitting in a kitchen or anything like that. It did require more work than we were ready to commit to. So if you're interested, the link is in the description. Clara is available for viewings. We're not affiliated in any way, but we did love this property and we were looking at it before we actually came to Portugal. So it is one of our top 10 properties. And yeah, if you're interested, get in touch with Clara. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm sorry about my voice, but I'm sure I'll be back soon. Thanks for watching. Laters.